Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I use these CRAFTER'S COMPANION POKEY tools constantly in my craft room. They are just so useful for cleaning out my dies, for getting into those really small places in my die to release the paper. When I'm making my flowers, I can stab right into the center so that I can put in the wire that I need to hold the flower together. There are just so many unique ways to use these. They're so small, easy to take on the go, and to kind of have in different places in my craft room so I can reach for them when I need them. They're nice and sharp at the end, so they can get into small places and push through paper easily, even thick cardstock. I just love having these CRAFTER'S COMPANION POKEY tools in my craft room. I use them for so many different reasons, and I just love having them on hand and available constantly. And that's my point of view.